Dude, that's how they play Marvel too on Instagram, man. I'm not kidding, man. They don't use like assists or like flippers. Just straight up fucking
They should make it all vegan. All vegan.
those guys will fuck you up, man.
Hey, what's up with all Gigas people?
Fuck that. I want to run that thing too.
Okay. Next time. Next time. Okay, right now I need support goes. Huh?
I like that air grab. Give that against shoulders, later. Try to get him jump. You do the air fast off, you catch like the
That's what's going in. That's what was game until we get that Giga.
Alright, sure, but it's like more battery. Let's say they do an EX pop to like instantly. If you do the LK super, it'll grab them before it knocks you out. Yeah, it'll grab them. If you do like a ride, one that's too slow, it's gonna pop them out. Like if you can jump in with a kick. If you time it right, you can LK super, that's almost like a DP kind of problem.
Slap. You could have countered that shit. Oh, here we go. Starting something. Already with meter again. That was fast. Jesus Christ. Shit. Oh. Next is we'll do Kaz versus Hispanic Jack.
Now, find a new rival. Go for it.
Wow, we'll be facing the other way too.
Go for it.
Daddy with the dolphin dive. Face now. Ooh, go for it. Ooh, there we go, Crazy. giving both meters up, and you know what? Well worth it. Getting that grin on his face, feeling good. And yeah, let's see how round 3 goes. Theo looking for that corner juggle, which I was right. Oh my god! There we go. There we go. Feeling good. Feeling good. Next, let's do Big Black versus me.
Find a new rival. Go for it. Now.
Oh, yeah.
Yusuf Ricardo. Yo, work on that low tier, right?
Yeah.
Play Heroes,
Next match is we'll do Mark versus Max.
Wow.
Yeah, I haven't played yet.
No, are you gonna see it?
You're next.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world. Hey, battle. Well, I got to fix you. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Fire is ready. Engage. Go.
Wow. Oh. This is how we did me too, Max. So we don't get you. Oh! Woohoo! Stay in there.
Final round. Engage.
Fucking these people matches are pretty good. Oh!
Oh, nice.
Mark is starting something. Oh, you should have grabbed him. You should have grabbed him. It would have been over. Walk up to man grab. Grab that. Oh! Let's just start. Let's see. Empty them Superman. Next one, do Rob versus Harry.
Now, fight a new rival. Well, I got to see Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
How come you didn't fucking win?
Try to get the upset.
Dude, I can't. I don't think we're gonna get one year. It was me and him in grand final. See what happened right there? Exactly what fucking happened. It was the same fucking feeling where you could have killed each other. You know those moments? All the time.
Fighting ready. Engage.
Well, we lost them all when they started riding.
I think the first time that I did
Louder trying to stay in this. Very quickly into the corner. Didn't have nowhere to run. Trying to turn up over this. Ooh! Turned it once. Oh, that was it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh, you get one. Oh! Still in this? Oh! Nice! Ender! Next is, man. Me versus Mark.
He said that so impressed.
Me versus Mark.
You go, what?
I get this side.
You have to Roshan Brothers tournament first.
Nah, fuck that shit.
Ooh, tired.
Wow.
You know what? Just for that, I would fucking lose. Just fucking for that, I would lose. Oh my god. You Mark, I did not want to play you, Mark. I really did not want to play you.
You got tongues?
But I really did not want to play you.
Haven't landed one yet.
Let's keep it that way.
Go for it.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna do nothing.
Beautiful. Just fucking.
Jump.
Kind of like right now, huh, Ricardo?
Huh?
Kind of like right now, huh?
Yeah.
Hey,
up.
Go for it.
Oh, Jordan.
You kidding me?
Choppers.
Get out of here.
Getting kicked all day.
Fucking demon. No, you're a fucking nemesis. I swear. I'm very happy to be here right now. I want to play you.
Now, fight it.
Alright, Harry versus Hispanic Jack. This is a good one. We'll do that final score of 3 again.
Well, I got the picture. Now.
Well, we've only done one other one besides this one, right? Yeah, right? There's just that one time where they Huh? Was there? I know there was a Dusty Road, then it came
You're
over.
right.
I know it was a couple of We're looking on this here corner.
Go.
Alright, we're gonna come over if we have to remind him. Nice jab, nice! Ooh! I think it's loaded. Pressing with that megaphone. Wow! Still in this? Let's see what the mix is gonna be. Oh! Wow!
Little too slow.
Finals. The finals already?
Little too slow.
Me.
Now, find a new rival. Well, I got the picture now.
2 out of 3, right?
Yeah, 2 out of 3.
Another Alex one.
Go.
Wow, that was far.
I think Sean's slow.
Oh shit, come on. Wow!
Fighters ready. Engage.
What?
We put
Put her.
before we went out, we put like 5 hours.
Thank goodness for us.
We played like 17 hours. Like burned out.
Now, find a new
Like,
rival.
let's see,
Yeah, well, I got the picture. Go for it.
It's not much, it's like 550. Yeah, it's scary. It's like 200. I'm like, yeah, it's scary. It's a smaller plane. You make it, yeah. Shakes, you make it.
Ooh, 720.
Are you ready? Go. All right, that's the final round. Go.
Oh my god. My goodness, dude. Congratulations, Gary.
Thank you.
I'm salty.
You wait a while.
I, for one, pretty salty about that.
Now, find a new rival.